India's classrooms are full of potential, but potential alone is not enough. To truly transform education, it takes people, changemakers, people who question, create, and reimagine how children learn. Across the country, there are individuals and institutions already creating meaningful impact in education. The KV Raghavan Changemaker Fellowship by Agastya International Foundation brings these changemakers together to connect, collaborate, and amplify what is already in motion. Built on the belief that people matter most, the fellowship celebrates their work and creates a shared pathway to transform education together.
When a kid starts speaking, he asks endless questions. We get irritated how many questions that kid is asking. But when that kid goes to school, only teacher will ask question and student will stay silent.
Today, unfortunately, high-quality leadership and thought intention programs are exclusively given only in metros, only to top elite classes.
At one point, we have higher and higher quality of education reaching the common man. At the same time, you find lots and lots of dropouts.
Across the country, there is a growing need for an education system that inspires curiosity, encourages creativity, and nurtures confident learners. At its core, the fellowship is about action. It promotes hands-on learning, project-based thinking, and the courage to experiment. It creates a space where ideas are exchanged, collaborations are formed, and solutions are built together.
There are a lot of good work which is happening in different pockets of the country. A lot of NGOs, lot of educationalists are experimenting a lot.
So what we thought is bring out this 20-odd change makers, youngsters, young entrepreneurs, young NGO activists to come here who are working in the field of STEM education, art education, and co-create models, visualize models of collaboration so that both the parties can use it.
At the Agastya Creativity Campus in Kuppam, the journey begins with an immersive dialogue on becoming a changemaker, and it continues through a year of mentorship, learning circles, and collaborative projects. Because real change does not happen in isolation. It happens when people come together, learn from each other, and grow together.
This can be a very good platform where we meet with other like-minded people.
And Agastya has access to teachers and students. So it's a collaboration with access and knowledge.
Such a huge organization is open to learn, to share, to understand what other people are doing, and how all these people can work together with the system, with the resources, with the knowledge bank of Agastya.
Each individual, they are doing wonderful in their own lives, and the accumulation of all these fellows at one place, the idea by Agastya for this KV Raghavan Changemaker Fellowship is wonderful, as I got to learn from each fellow a lot.
Fellows gain recognition, access to a powerful network, and opportunities to collaborate and scale their ideas. But more importantly, they gain the ability to amplify their impact. This fellowship honors the legacy of KV Raghavan, one of the founding trustees of Agastya, who believed in nurturing people, building leaders, and creating spaces where ideas could thrive. His vision continues through every child inspired, every teacher empowered, and every changemaker who dares to lead.
What makes an institution special is diversity. And what we have today in the fellowship are diverse ideas.
There are a wonderful bunch of people from the profiles that we can get their domain expertise and what they do and the passion with which they're doing things. We hope that in the program, in the campus as well as off campus, we will be able to forge a relationship with them and they're working with us to advance our work as well as help them in their work.
Most of them participating are very early organizations. We are going to learn from them over one whole year. We are going to generate this one module over the year. And we also have university professors participating. So we are going to create some validation for the whole effort so that the whole entire effort is validated.
What began as a fellowship has grown into a network of changemakers working together to reimagine education, not as individuals, but as a collective force, shaping classrooms, shaping minds, shaping the future of learning.
I think the exchange of ideas, the high-powered thinking, the bias for action, it's really made this whole thing very worthwhile. And it has given Agastya a new channel to amplify our work across the nation for the betterment of India and hopefully achieve India's goals of becoming a developed country by 2047.
The openness with which Agastya has kept all of this, that come have a look at what we've done, see what we've developed, take it back and take it to your ecosystems. I think it takes a very big heart for anyone to do that who's only pure in intent. Only they can do it. So it's very rare to find a pedigree of such organization, and I'm happy that I got a chance to be it, and I look forward to working together and making that possible for a true Viksit Bharat.
Agastya has invented the wheel. We don't have to reinvent it. So we can go with the structure and go forward with our collaboration.
We used to think education was knowing facts. Now, each of our students go back and find the facts, and therefore learning cannot just be facts. It has to be much more and something else.
Change doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes it grows quietly, in a question, in a spark, in a classroom that chose to be different. And in that quiet shift, a new way of learning begins.
Aha, 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 aha.